Enemy fighter here.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm an absolute animal, dude. If you just saw the play.